Okay, first coat's on. What I did was 1 part True Oil, 2 parts mineral spirits, mixed it up. I put it on with the steel wool, didn't rub too hard, just a little bit of pressure, and then I rubbed it in. And then I took the 400 wet dry sandpaper, and I did what one of the videos said to do, and I rubbed it in a circular motion. That gets the surface, the wood, to make into a fine powder, and that fine powder goes into the pores. So I'm going to do that probably with 400, and we're going to start doing that for 2 or 3 coats, and then it'll fill all those pores. And you can see, I hope you can see that the beautiful burl is starting to come out, and we're looking like, again, we'll see, this might actually turn out. Now I'm going to hang it up. I made a little L shape here and use the original screw that holds on the butt plate and shoulder plate, and I will hang it up on the wall. Let it wait for 24 hours while I do the stock pieces, the arm pieces and the hand grips.